will take you to a lovely home in the UK with a marvellous collection of house plants. Let's take a tour. As soon as you enter the living room, your eyes are drawn immediately to the impressive collection of varied plants. When you first look at them, some of them don't even look real, but they are. Like this one here, it looks as if someone has painted dots onto the leaves, but we found out that this was called the polka dot begonia. Or this one here, which looks as if someone has painted a pink colour onto the leaf. I found out that this is called the flamingo flower or painter's palette. There was peace lilies, spider plants, alocasia, bamboo, and many other plants that I can't even remember the names of. I like the spider plant the most, whereas the peace lily is the favourite of this household. This is special because it was the first plant they bought and it took a year's care and love before they could see it bloom. Over the past year, the indoor plant collection has grown to 48 and is still growing. Outside, we can see colourful and vibrant gloxinias, petunias and surfinias arranged beautifully in hanging baskets. These brightly coloured flowers would cheer anyone up on a typically British dark, dull day. It's not just us that need cheering up. This household puts a lot of time and effort into cheering and caring for the plants by talking to them. This mantra of talking to the plants seems to have worked really well. As you can see, the plants are thriving amazingly. I really love this trailing ice plant flower. It only takes them a couple of hours to create this relaxing and inviting environment. All worth the effort, don't you think? In addition to the decorative plants and flowers, you can see bay leaf, tomato, celery, and runner bean plants growing. These runner beans are a different variety to the ones that we grow. In the pod, there are white beans, whereas we have pink or purple beans. Here we can see marigolds, mint, and surprisingly, bamboo. And finally, my favourite part, the plum tree, with hundreds of plums on the tree and plenty that have fallen off. Imagine the amount of jam and chutney you can make with all of these plums. Wouldn't you like to live on this street and get your daily share of freshly plucked plums? With our share of these sweet, juicy fruits, we made chutney and compote to go with frozen yogurt. I hope you've enjoyed my first garden showcase, which for me has been a really inspiring one. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video. Bye!